Hello, my dear friends, welcome. Today we'll start on our heels in a seated position. So settle yourself down and focus your energy here today on the mat. Now I want you to come to your breath and start with long, deep breaths, long inhalation and exhalation of the same length. Now I want you to set up an intention for your practice. To set an intention, bring your awareness to a quality you want to cultivate more in your life. So maybe you want to invite more compassion or kindness into your life, or you want to be more present or mindful. Open your eyes slowly. Now I want you to inhale, open the chest, spread arms. Exhale, round and grab shoulder blades. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale, switch arms, grab the shoulder blades. 2 more times like this. Inhale, open and round with exhalation. Inhale, open the chest a bit more and exhale, round. Very good. Now inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms in front of the chest. Inhale, arms up. And now we move to child's pose. So put your head on the floor and just enjoy the connection with the earth. Notice your breath. Now we'll start doing kind of like waves. So with inhalation, I want you to round and move forward. And with exhalation, your hips on the floor and use your back muscles slowly all the way on the floor. Inhale, lift up, use your back muscles. Exhale, round and sit back on the heels. Inhale, round forward. Exhale through cobra down on the floor. Breathe in, use back muscles to lift up, and breathe out, round and sit back on the heels. Last round. And we meet in the child's pose. Very good. Now we'll lift to downward facing dog. Tuck your toes. Prepare your arms and lift slowly up. Pedal your feet left and right. Now send only the right heel to the floor and send the left heel to the floor. And now send both heels as close to the floor as possible. And grab your left ankle with your right hand. Breathe through it. And switch sides. Left hand grabs right ankle. Very good. Come back to downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg goes up. Exhale, right foot between the palms. Inhale, lift to high lunge. Arms up. Open the back foot and move to warrior 2. Open the right palm up and move to peaceful warrior. Breathe, try to lengthen, and palms go back on the floor. Move leg to plank, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, foot between the palms. Lift to high lunge, arms up. Open to Virabhadrasana 2. And now move to Peaceful Warrior. Windmill your arms back on the floor and move to plank. Inhale. With exhalation, move to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Let's pause here and we'll repeat the circle one more time. Inhale, right leg up and put it between the palms. High lunge. Open to Warrior 2 and move to Peaceful Warrior. Palms on the floor, plank, Chaturanga Dandasana, upward facing dog and downward facing dog. Left leg goes up and between the palms, high lunge. Open to Warrior 2 and to Peaceful Warrior. Palms on the floor to plank, and this time we go on our knees and to child's pose. Now I want you to realize and notice your breath. Come back to it. And perhaps you can remind yourself the intention you set up at the beginning of the practice. Very good. I want you to look forward, move to plank, and right foot go between the palms, back up to high lunge. Open to Warrior 2, but this time we will bind the hands behind our lower back, open the left shoulder, and if you can, straighten the right leg. Bend your right knee again, release the palms back on the floor, and set your left knee on the floor. Move to half split and forward. Move to half split and back forward. Push the chest out and to half split and back forward. Tuck your left toe and lift back up to high lunge. Palms in front of your chest, lengthen, and with exhalation twist to the right. Keep active and stable, but don't forget about your breath. Back to the center, palms on the floor, and back to plank. Left foot goes between the palms. Lift up to Warrior 2. And again, we'll bind our hands behind our back under our left thigh. Open the right shoulder towards the sky and straighten the left leg. Bend your left knee again, release the palms back on the floor. Your right knee goes on the floor. Inhale, exhale to half split. Breathe in forward, push the chest out. Exhale, half split. One more time. Tuck your right toe, lift up to high lunge, palms in front of your chest, lengthen, and breathe out, twist to the left side, and turn back to the center. Right foot meets your left. Inhale, arms up, and palms to your chest. Widen your stand. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Catch your opposite wrists and just sway from side to side, left and right. Try to lengthen the spine and release the neck, so you can move your head like yes and no, just to make sure everything is loose. On the floor, straight back, and move to yogic squat. Open your knees, push them with your elbows wide. Lengthen your spine, push the chest out. Now move on your back and grab both of your knees. Move side to side to massage your lower spine and your hips. Keep holding your left knee and stretch the right leg out on the floor. Activate the right leg. Now grab your foot and straighten the left leg. Try to pull your left leg as close to your body as possible. Now catch your toe with the peace fingers and open the left leg to the side. Try to push the right hip towards the floor. And back to the center, bend your left knee, grab it again, and now switch the legs. Right knee pushing towards your chest, left leg active on the floor. Grab the right foot, straighten the right leg, and slowly, gently pull it towards your body. Right hand grabs the toe and open the right leg towards the side, trying to keep the left hip glued to the floor. And your leg goes back to the center. Bend your right knee, grab it again, and now move both legs to happy baby pose. So from the other side of your foot, pushing the knees towards the floor. And again, notice your breath, long deep breaths in order to release the tension. Very good. Let your legs go. And now I want you to put your feet together and enter Supta Baddha Konasana for your rest. Stay here as long as it serves you. And I'll see you next time. Namaste.